Hello and welcome to this video tutorial. Today we'll be covering how to capture assessments on a Markbook in Edusystem. Accurate record keeping of assessments is crucial for tracking student progress, and Edusystem's Markbook feature streamlines this process. So to start, when you log into Edusystem, you will head over to Markbook, and once you reach Markbook, you will search for your subject. So in this case, we'll be doing Mathematics Grade 10. So when I click on Mathematics Grade 10, a Markbook will open up. The students will be on the left-hand side, and my results will be on this side. So what I need to do is I need to add assessments. So to add an assessments, we click on Add Assessment button, and you will add your assessment. We'll call this a task, and this is for term 1, and the mark is out of 50. And then we say, okay. So now my assessment has been added. So the first thing we need to do is add an assessment. Now we can add one assessment or we can add multiple assessments. So I'll add another assessment and we'll call this assessment test, also term 1, and the mark will be out of 75, and we click OK. So now we've got two assessment pieces. So the next thing we need to do is we need to link these two assessment pieces to a result. A result is a mark that appears on the report. So when I click on the term 1, I can now select the type of result I want this to be. Do I want it to be weighted? Do I want it to be sum? Or do I want it to be average? So in this case, I will select weighted. And then on the right hand side, I will click add assessments. So task and test will appear here. I will click on task and test. And my task will be 25 and my test will be 75. And I will click OK. So now we have added our assessments. We've linked our assessments to our result. Now when we capture marks, so if you capture 35 and 69, we will see that our results will be changing. And if I keep on going 25 and 38, our marks will change accordingly. So now that we've captured our marks, we can generate a report to view our results. So in this case, we have 86.5 and 50.5. This will be rounded up to 87 and 50 accordingly, and 51 accordingly. So I go to generate a class report, and we select our class. We select our two students that we captured marks for, and we click generate, and we'll see for mathematics, we have 87, which is a code 7, and for the other student, we have 51, which is a code 4. And that's it for capturing marks in Edusystem's Markbook. Thank you for watching.